Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on routing Xperia P devices running 4.1.2 Jelly Bean. This will work on Xperia P devices, also may work on other Xperia lineups. Just check it out before working. First of all, get to the website unlockbootloader.sonymobile.com. Then at the bottom, click continue. Then click yes, I'm sure after reading the matter that it has given. Then accept the legal terms and click I accept. Then you will need IMEI. For IMEI, go to the dialer and type in **** service ###. And go to service info and configuration. At the top you will see the IMEI number. Write it down on a piece of paper and also see the routing status. If it says bootloader unlocked allowed yes, then this method will work for you, otherwise it won't. So go back to the PC and type it your name, your IMEI and your email address. Then click submit. This will send an email to the email address you have given. So write the right email address. Then go to your email address and you will find an email from Sony developers. There will be a bootloader key, so copy that key. Now go to Flash Tool and connect your phone in USB debugging mode. For connecting device in USB debugging mode, go to settings and developers option. Turn on developers option. Select OK, then turn on USB debugging and select OK, and you are good to go. Now go to plugin bootloader unlock run and then unplug your phone and power it off. Once it completely off, press and hold the volume up key while attaching the USB to the phone, and the Flash tool will ask for the key. Type in the key you have copied and it will automatically start your phone. It will take a little more to boot because it's first boot after the unlock bootloader. So be patient. Now when you are back, check your bootloader, go to dialer and type in *** service ###. Then go into service info, configuration, and it should say routing status bootloader unlocked yes. If it doesn't, you have probably done some mistake. Then connect your phone to PC and then download the zip super user and copy it and paste it in internal storage of your phone. Then download the Jelly Bean kernel. You will find a .elf file in the folder. Copy that and paste it in fastboot. If you don't have the fastboot folder, video is in the description, and paste it in. Then unplug your phone, power it off. Once it's completely off, press and hold the volume up key and plug it to the USB. Then hold down shift and right click and click on open command window here, and then type in fastboot flash boot kernel unsigned.elf and click enter. When it's finished, you can unplug your phone and power it on. Then when you see the Sony logo, keep tapping and pressing the volume down key to boot into recovery. And once you are in recovery, choose install zip from SD card Volume up and down will be for the up and down, and the power button will be for the selection. Volume up and down will be the up and down key, and power will be for the selection. And choose zip from SD card and select the zip you have copied, super user zip, and select yes install. And it will install the package. When it's done, select go back, again select go back, again select go back. Then you are ready to reboot your system. And it will reboot your system. Now your phone must be rooted, and you have to do nothing further. You will find the super user in the menu, probably at the last, and if you have super user, the phone is rooted. If this video helps you, click on subscribe button, and if you have some problems, comment down below, and if it worked, just like the video.